Which one of the following has the same value as the sum of first 4 odd number from 10 to 20? Option 1 is 5 tens 6 ones. Second option is 5 tens 60 ones. Option C is 50 tens 6 ones. Option D is 56 tens 60 ones. Which option is correct answer? A, B, C, D. So there is the sum of first 4 odd numbers. So first 4 odd numbers, but starting between 10 to 20. So first odd number after 10 is 11. Next is odd number 13. Next odd number. So find the sum first. What is the sum? So 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. There is 6, not 3, it's 5. 56. So 56 means A option. 5 tens, 5 10 6 ones. 56. Yes, 5 tens is 50 and 6 ones is 6. So 56 is the answer. So question is, in the word unified, which fraction represents alphabet I? So 4 option, 1 over 7, 2 over 7, 1 by 6, 5 by 7.
Wait, did I say unified?
UNIFIED, unified. Unified, FIED.
Wait, but which I?
There are how many I?
2,
How many total alphabet?
7.
So 2 over 7 is the fraction of.
Oh, okay.
Next is, there are 12 people. There are 12 people standing in a.
सर आप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करा रहे हैं क्या आज?
So there are 12 people standing in a queue at a ticket counter. One fourth of people are women. How many women are standing in a queue? How many women are standing in a queue? How many women are standing in a queue?
Three.
Yeah, 3. How you got 3?
I just divided 12 by 4.
Yes, 12 of 1 fourth of 12. So 1 fourth of 12. Of means multiply. 1 fourth of 12. So 1 by 4 Off means multiply, so divide 12 1 ja 12 over 4, so 3. 3 women are there. Next question is, a road measures, there is a road and its measure is given 50 meter from end to end. A tree is planted a tree is planted every 5 meter along the road. How many trees are planted altogether? How many trees are planted altogether? So there are four options also.
Okay.
10, B option is 12, C option is 14, D option 11. Yes, final answer is, what should be the final answer?
10.
Look, we are making a straight line like a road, and its length we are dividing into 5 meter distance. So 50 is there total. So there is 5 gap, 5. So start from 0, then 5. It's like a scale, our scale. And last one is 50. So how many trees are there? One tree is here, another tree is here planted. So these arrows means trees. So how many trees we can say? 1,
11.
yes, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So your answer was close to 10, 11, but the answer is not correct. 11 is correct. So next question is, if the time is half past 5, if the time is half past 5, which digit on the clock face does the minute hand point to? So option, there are four options: 3, 4, 5, 6. If the time half past 5, which digit on the clock face
6.
does the minute hand point to? Yes. How you know?
I just know that. So there are 12 numbers on a clock,
Yeah.
and then so half of 12 is 6.
Yes.
Half of a minute is
Correct. Correct. Next question is five matchsticks are placed at an equal distance away from each other. How many intervals are there?
What do you mean by how many intervals are there?
Okay. Like a previous one, tree question. This question is same previous one. So how many matches?
Okay. So like basically how many spaces?
Yeah, between how many spaces is there? Five matchsticks are placed at an equal distances away from each other. So option is 5, 4, 3, and 6.
4.
4. This time I think you are correct. 5 matchstick. This is first matchstick, second matchstick, third matchstick, fourth matchstick, and 5 matchstick. So 5 matchsticks are placed at an equal distances away from each other. How many intervals? So first interval is here, second is here, third is here, fourth is here. So 4 is correct. Yes. The time 15 minutes past 15:30 is the same as dash minutes before 16:10. The time 15 minutes past 15:30. So what is the time actually?
Basically it's 3:30.
15 minutes past 15:30. It is not 3:30.
Oh, that would be 3:45.
3:45 correct. And is the same as dash minutes before 16:10. So actual time is 3:45 and 16:10 means 4:10. How many minutes is before 4:10? 3:45 is how many minutes before 4:10?
25 minutes.
Correct, 25 minutes. So 25 minutes is the answer. The question is find the difference obtained when the sum of 3,982 and 6,853 is subtracted from 35,000. Find the difference obtained when sum of 3,982 and 6,853 is subtracted from 35,000.
added I first added 3982 and 6853, which equals 10,835.
Yes.
Then I subtracted it by 35,000,
Yeah.
which is to 24,615.
Yes. Correct answer is 24,165.
Yeah.
Question is the difference between two number. The difference between two number is 6,252 if the bigger number is 5 times as big as the smaller number. Find the sum of the two number. The difference between two number is 6,252 if the bigger number is 5 times as big as the smaller number. Find the sum of the two number. Could you try?
Wait, what is the smallest number?
First we find the two number. This is
Okay.
the difference between two numbers 6252, and the bigger number is 5 times the smaller number. So what two numbers we can take in starting? In the value of x we take two number 5x and x. This is the 5 times of this number. So this we are assuming here. So let the two number is 5x and x, and it is given here in the difference is 6,252. So difference means subtract both the number 5x minus x. X means 1x. It's equal to 6252.
Yeah.
So 5x minus 1x is equal to 4x. 4x. 5 minus 1 is 4. There is 1. Nothing number means 1. Now equal to 6252. So 4x equal to 6,252. So what is x? So x is obtained by dividing by 4. Both side we divide by 4. So this 4 can remove. So x left side become x left. Other side we divide by 4. 1 ja 22. 4 5 ja 22. Then 5 25 6 ja. Then 3 ja 5 1 5 6 3. This is the smallest number 1563.
Then we have to times that by 5.
So a larger number is 5 times of this number. So 5 times of
So
But
8 at the end, the
50.
5 at the end, 1 carried forward. The 1, 3 carried forward. 9, I mean 8, 8, then 5, 2 carried forward. Then, yeah, 7.
So this is the second number. The question is asking the what is the sum of the two number. What is the sum of the two number? To find the sum, we add both the number. So 1563 plus 7815. So sum is 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 8 13, 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 7, that becomes 9. 9378. So final answer is 9378.
Okay.
4 men can finish the work. 4 men can finish the work. Finish half the work, half the job. Half a job in 4 days. How long will 2 men take to finish the whole job? And we are assuming here all the men work equally fast. All the men work equally fast. Four men can finish the half job in 4 days. How long will 2 men take to finish the whole job?
8 days?
You are telling 8.
Yeah.
So look the option. There are 4 options.
Okay.
So first is 14 days. Second is 15 days. Third is 16 days. Last one is 18 days. So 8 days is not in option.
See?
C. So could you explain? Can you explain how?
I can't really hear you.
So 4 men can finish a half a job. So it means to complete one job, how many men required? 4 means 4 days. There is days also. 4 means 4 days, half job.
Faster.
So it means I can say half job to complete a full job.
So is it C?
I think
16 days.
2 men take to finish whole job. How long will? So days we have to find out. Number of days we have to find out. So I think 16 may be right. So if I find one man, one man, 1 main means it required times. 1 means and number of days we doesn't change. Now 4 we multiply 1 by 2 into 4. This 4 comes in the denominator. It means 1 by 8 job done by 1 man in 4 days. In 4 days, 1 man complete 1 by 8 work. Or we can say 8 men in 4 days complete 1 job. So there is 2 men. So 2 men is there. So 2 men in 4 days complete how much work? 4 men 4 days. So we write 2 in numerator. So 2 into 4. It means 1 fourth. 2 men do in 4 days 1/4 work. So there is 4. This 4 comes here. So 4 into 4 days completed by 1 job, 2 men. So 16 is correct answer. After making 1 complete 3 by 4 turns, after making 1 complete 3 by 4 turns to his right, John was facing the park. What was John facing at first? So here is picture given. Here is John at the center. On the top there is a school. On the bottom there is post office. One side there is church. Other side there is park. So after making 1 complete 3 or 4 turns to his right, John was facing the park. What was the John facing at first? So where was first John facing? What was the John facing at first?
On the post office.
So how you find post office?
Oh, um, I meant the church.
Confirm.
The church.
This is the confirm answer.
Yes.
Okay, look, your answer is church. Okay, so John is facing church. Okay, after 3 by 4 turn to his right. So right means clockwise. So John is church facing 3 by 4 means it facing now school. Look, first 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means facing post office. 2 by 4 means facing park. And 3 by so 3 by 4 means it facing the school. So question is saying it is facing after 3 by 4 turn to the park.
So is school the right answer?
So let's check the answer. It start it facing John is facing the school and now 3 by 4 turns. One complete turn means complete school again facing, but 3 by 4 turns to the right means clockwise. So this is church is 1 by 4 turn and post office is 1 by 2 turn and park is 3 over 4 turn. So park is given, so correct answer is school. Because after 3 by 4 revolution from the school, it moves it facing to the park.
give for homework.
Okay, could you note some questions?
Okay.
Word problem. Mrs. Chanda, the Mrs. Chanda mixed 2.94 liter of orange syrup with three times as much as water. If she poured the mixture equally into 7 glasses, how much mixture was there in each glass? How much mixture was there in each glass?